So here are two Hisenji Firefly drones. And although they look the same, they are just a little bit different. This one is from the FPV kit, which came with the drone, the controller, and the goggles. And this one came from the Firefly Smart Combo, which only came with the drone and the controller. What's different about them? This one has a camera, and this one doesn't. But not for long, because we have a camera to put in here and turn this into FPV. And this camera, you can also use it if you have to replace the one in the FPV kit. So I'll leave a link to this down in the description. But this job is so simple. I bet we can turn this into an FPV drone in under a minute. Okay, so I am gonna do this real time. No jumps, no cuts, no edits. So I'll start the clock as soon as I grab the drone. So here we go. Camera out, there's a little cover. You need the antenna on the back. That's where you kind of plug it in there and it kind of clips in like that. Just feed the cable through, slide the camera in its little slot there, put the antenna in its holder. Okay, now we have, this is probably where I'm not gonna make it, but now we have the plug, which you have to reach down in there and oh, I don't quite have it plugged in. Okay, plugged in. Time.
Bam! Just like that. That's all there is to it.
So let's turn it on. Let's turn these goggles on. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. We did it. Let's just put this cover back on. But yeah, we are FPV'd in under a minute. So the replacement for this FPV camera is pretty much just as simple, except, you know, you have to take the cover off, unplug the camera, slide it out, and then install it just like I installed it on that one. But now that we're FPV'd, let's go do some flying.